Hello student, today in this video we will study about the chapter number 7. We will start chapter number 7 in civics, that is social aspects of gender role. Here you will study what is the meaning of gender, what is the gender role in family, what is the gender role in community, in public places, in school, etc. Okay, first we will study what is the meaning of gender. There are two kinds of words or two kinds of differences between the man and woman. The first is biological and the other is physical difference. We are born either as a male or female. The second is about how the society expects that a girl and a boy have to behave. Okay, and this approves the certain kinds of behavior that is liked by behavior, and it is approved and disapproved by the others or by the society. Gender is the role and gender is the role and the pattern of behavior dedicated by the society, and that can be identified as a masculine or feminine gender. Okay, the here, the gender is not a biological construction, but it is a social construct which is constructed by our society to differentiate between the male and female or man or woman. Okay, the social aspect of gender role. First, we will study about the gender role of family. Here, you will study about the gender role of family. Family is the first unit of our society, or it is the first step for the child where he learns the basic values. The basic value is learned by the child in his family, how to behave and how to interact with the society. Okay, in many families, the father or the any other male person is the considered the head of the family, and women are considered to be the housework or as a housewife. Okay, and hence the woman's education is not given much importance in some of the family. The family willingly spends any spends any attention towards the woman or daughter education instead of the boys. Okay, and there are so many family, they never used to encourage the education of girl child rather than the boy's child. Here example is given in your book that if there is a birthday of any girl child, that time people used to take doll or kitchen set for the gift, as a for the girl child. And when there is a birthday of any boy, they used to take aeroplanes, car, bikes, and gun, these type of toys for the boy child. Okay, in this way we used to start discriminating our girl child from their childhood. Sometime what happens before the birth of child, the member of family start expecting the child which will born, that it will be the son, not a girl. Okay, their expectation of new about the new baby, that is only about the boy. And when there is a if the girl child used to get born, they become sad. This show that how the before the birth of the child we used to do so many discrimination, and these kind of thinking make our society behave with the female person very badly. Okay, and this kind of education or this kind of values goes to one generation to the next generation. Okay, you have seen that there are so many houses where the women are not allowed to give their opinion in any household issues. You have seen in your home also that there are so many people who never used to take the opinion of women in the family on any matter. In this way, we start discriminating our women from our unit level. Unit level means from our family, and that continue in our society. Now second topic is about the stereotype. What is the stereotypes? This topic come under the gender role in community. Stereotype means the image which we use to make about any particular person. That is called the stereotype. Okay, and mainly it is about negative thoughts which we use to make about any person. There are some example of prejudice and stereotype prevalent which we see in our society. Some of them, as an example, it is given in your book. That is, the girls are the burden for their parents. Girls physically girls are physically and mentally weak. That is which is given in your book. You will see the third point is girls are not able to play outdoor games. Girls are emotionally weak. Girls are full of superstitions. Boys are naughty. Boys are physically and mentally strong. These are some of the prejudice and stereotype of opinion which are made by our society. And if you will see all these prevalent prejudice, they are challenged by so many girls of our country, like the Kalpana Chawla, Sunita Williams, Indira Gandhi, Jhansi Ki Rani Lakshmi Bai, and there are so many examples which challenges these kind of stereotype and prejudice society. Okay, and these prejudice society which we create in our society, they lead to a big hamper, or they are the big hurdle in progress of our country. Okay, the any type of stereotype thinking or views, opinion, that is very big hurdle for the development of any country. Stereotype of behavior or discrimination you can see also in your school in many times. Okay, you know the school is a temple of learning. Children here learn so many things like the discipline, rules and regulations. They gain a lot of knowledge, and they learn what is the team spirit. Okay, different kinds of skill they used to learn in the school. But there are some points which indicate that the students are also, the boys and girls are discriminated by the school teacher sometime in school also. Like the some boys are encouraged much than the girls in school about their studies, and sometimes the girls are taught to take home science as a subject instead of the boys are given whether the boys are given so many teachings about the science and technology. Boys are suggested that they should take the science and technology, whether the girls are suggested to take the home science. This also show the discrimination between the girls and boys in school. There are some schools which are run only for the boys and only for the girls. Okay, that also shows the discrimination in our society which we used to do. There are some textbook also which show the discrimination among the boys and girls, or male or female. When we see some books which are related to the family, you will see that these in the picture mostly the women are shown. Women are shown doing housework. Women are used to show the housework, and male person are doing their duty in big companies, in offices, and women are always shown in books doing the housework. This also used to show that the discrimination among the boy and girl, male and female. Okay, this was the today's topic. In next video we will study the remaining topic. Thank you.